What's the meaning of cashew nut? Cashew nut. Cashew nut.
Cashew nut. Cashew nut. A cashew nut is the seed of a tropical evergreen tree found in Brazil. They are kidney-shaped and have a hard, outer shell and a smooth interior kernel which is edible. Cashew nuts are a popular snack and ingredient in many cuisines worldwide due to their buttery, sweet taste and nutritional value. They contain healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, as well as protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Cashew nuts are used in various forms, including roasted, salted, raw, or processed into cashew butter or milk.